If I do regular physical activity and exercise, what will be the effects? Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Engaging in regular physical activity and exercise can have a wide range of positive effects on your overall health and well-being. Here are some of the potential benefits. Improved cardiovascular health. Regular exercise can help strengthen your heart, improve circulation, and lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. Weight management. Physical activity helps burn calories and maintain a healthy weight, which is important for reducing the risk of obesity and related conditions. Muscle strength and endurance. Exercise helps build and maintain muscle mass, leading to improved strength and endurance. This can enhance your ability to perform daily activities and reduce the risk of injury. Bone health. Weight-bearing exercises, such as walking, jogging, and weightlifting, can help improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Mental health benefits. Regular physical activity is associated with lower rates of depression and anxiety. Exercise stimulates the release of endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Improved flexibility and balance. Activities like yoga and stretching can enhance flexibility and balance, reducing the risk of falls and injuries, especially as you age. Enhanced energy levels. Regular exercise can increase your energy levels and combat feelings of fatigue. Better sleep. Regular physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restful sleep. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Engaging in regular physical activity is linked to a lower risk of chronic conditions such as type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, and metabolic syndrome. Cognitive benefits. Exercise has been shown to improve cognitive function, memory, and focus. It may also lower the risk of cognitive decline as you age. Social interaction. Participating in group activities or sports can provide opportunities for social interaction and the development of a supportive community. Stress reduction. Physical activity can help reduce stress by promoting relaxation and providing an outlet for pent-up tension. It's important to note that the benefits of exercise are cumulative and can vary based on factors such as the type of activity, intensity, frequency, and individual health considerations. To experience these positive effects, it's recommended to engage in a variety of exercises, including aerobic activities, like walking, running, swimming, strength training, flexibility exercises, and balance-focused activities. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.